Hello friends, welcome to the video series of Indian art and culture. In previous videos, we have seen Bharatnatyam from Tamil Nadu, Kathakali Mohiniyattam from Kerala, Kuchipudi from Andhra Pradesh. So this was all from South India. In this video, we are going to see Indian classical dance Odissi from East Indian state Odisha. The Natya Shastra refers to four types of vrittis, and in case of dance, vrittis are different methods of expressive delivery. Odra Magadi is one of the four vrittis, and Odra word is related with Odissi. This dance was performed predominantly by women known as Maharis. Mahari means Mahanari. Maharis were Devdasis. Traditional Odissi exists in two major styles. First one is temple dance performed by Maharis and second one is performed by Gotipuas. Gotipuas are boys dressed as girls. In this image, you can see Odissi dance performed by Gotipuas. It includes athletic and acrobatic moves. Odissi got patronage by Jain king Kharvel. Major themes of Odissi are based on religious stories and spiritual ideas, particularly of Vaishnavism and Ashtapadis of Jayadeva's 12th century text Gita Govinda. There is one interesting fact regarding Odissi dance. It is only Indian dance form present in Michael Jackson's famous song Black or White. We find evidences of Odissi at cave paintings of Udaygiri and Khandagiri. Also, temple carvings of Konark's Sun Temple and Puri's Jagannath Temple are major evidences. Now we will see some important features of Odissi. There are two basic postures involved in Odissi dance. First one is Chauk, which is masculine stance. Here we can see four angles. Hence, it is called as Chauk. And in this position, body weight is equally balanced as shown in this image. Next one is Tribhanga posture. It is a feminine stance. Here we can see threefold bending of body. In this image, Tribhanga posture is shown where body is deflected at neck, torso and knees. Now we will discuss sequence of Odissi in short. First part is invocation. It involves Mangal Charan, Pushpanjali and Bhumi Pranam. In Mangal Charan, a shlok in praise of a god or goddess is sung and its meaning is expressed through dance. Mangal Charan is followed by Pushpanjali. Pushpanjali is offering of flowers to God. Then Bhumi Pranam, it is salutation to Mother Earth. The next sequential step is Batu or Batuk Bhairav. It is Nritta part, pure dance performed in the honor of Shiva, and this part involves only rhythmic music. Next one is Pallavi. Here we can see elaboration of musical rag through movements of eyes, body posture, and footwork. Then comes Moksha. This is distinctive part of Odissi dance sequence, and Moksha is concluding item of a recital. Moksha in Hindu tradition means spiritual liberation. This dance movement traditionally attempts to convey a sense of spiritual release and soul liberation. In this dance, dancer creates intricate geometrical patterns. Both Hindustani and Carnatic music is used in this dance. Major musical instrument used is pakwas and lyrics are available in Odia or Sanskrit language. Classical dance Odissi depicts water element in human body. There are three major styles of Odissi: Mahari, Nartaki, and Gotipua. As we know, Mahari is temple dance form of Odissi, and Gotipua is performed by boys in female costume, and it involves martial arts, acrobatic movements. Nartaki form of Odissi took place in the royal courts, where it was prevalent before the British period. If we consider costume of Odissi dance, famous Patta sari or Sambalpuri sari is used, and in case of makeup, there is one important thing to notice, that is hairstyle. In Odissi, hair tied up with elaborate bun resembling a Hindu temple spire. Now we will see Odissi dance performance in short. For clear understanding, I have breaked a single YouTube video of Odissi into some parts. While watching this video, please observe all those things we have discussed just now. This was Indian classical dance Odissi. Important personalities associated with Odissi are Kelucharan Mohapatra, Pankaj Charan Das, Sanjukta Panigrahi, Sonal Mansingh, and Kiran Segal. I hope you people have enjoyed this video. If yes, then please don't forget to share it with maximum people and please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.